3.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Are you okay? Okay, right. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
And good morning everybody.
Good morning, sir.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thanks. And you?
I'm good and so happy today, special for study together with you are in this class. Right? Before we are beginning our meeting for this time, I would like the leader prepare the class, please.
Attention please. Stand up please. Say greeting to our teacher.
Good morning, sir.
Morning everybody and assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Have a seat.
Before we study, let's pray. Pray together. Finish.
Okay, right. The leader, I will check everybody, your friends, all of present today. All of present today.
Yes sir, all present.
Okay, good. Right. Before we are begin our meeting for this time, now continue to singing one of the national song of Indonesia, that is Garuda Pancasila. All of my students, please stand up. Okay, we are singing together.
Akulah pendukungmu, patriot proklamasi, sedia berkorban untukmu. Pancasila dasar negara, rakyat adil makmur sentosa, pribadi bangsaku. Ayo maju, maju, ayo maju, maju, ayo maju, maju.
Okay, right. Thank you. Have a seat. Okay, that's right. Now I will tell you again about our method, our material in the last time about recon text. Who one of you still remember about recon text and generic structure of recon text?
Me sir.
Yes, what the generic structure of recon text?
Orientation, event, and reorientation.
Good. Clip hand for Excel. Okay. Next, who one of you always like read a story?
Me sir.
Yes. What story do you like to read when you are in your room?
I like to read story about Timun Emas.
Timun Emas. Okay, good. Like our material in this time of narrative text is Timun Emas. So after you are read Timun Emas, what message you can get from the story? Yes, what?
I get more social message from Timun Emas.
About Timun Emas. Social message you can get from Timun Emas. Okay, good. Good. Click hand for them. Okay. Now, right before we are enter to our method of narrative text, I would like to make ice breaking for make you are happy, fresh to study together. Right? Listen my voice. Okay, my voice, but don't follow my body language. Right? You get it? Yes?
Yes.
Okay, begin. Okay, begin. Take my hand. Okay, good. This is my mood. This is my hair. Okay, that's right. Consent. Okay. This is my mood. Okay, still consent, guys? Okay. Okay, now our method is narrative text. In the last time is recount text is almost the same, but there is differentiation of the generic structure. The generic structure in the recount text there are three, but in narrative text there are 4 generic structure. Next. Okay, here for my all of student, I would like check in the screen of monitor about what we can get from the story about narrative text. Is the course melalui model pembelajaran project based learning secara berkelompok, peserta didik dapat mengidentifikasi naratif teks menurut fungsi sosial, struktur teks dan unsur kebahasaan dengan tepat. That is number 1. And going to number 2, melalui model pembelajaran project based learning, peserta didik dapat menjelaskan fungsi sosial naratif teks dengan tepat. And the third is melalui model pembelajaran project based learning serta diskusi kelompok peserta didik dapat menyusun paragraf naratif teks sesuai dengan struktur kebahasaan dengan tepat. Kemudian in the last number 4 is melalui model pembelajaran project based learning serta diskusi kelompok, peserta didik dapat menentukan generic structure paragraf naratif teks dengan tepat dan mempresentasikan secara berkelompok di depan kelas. Ini adalah tujuan pembelajaran yang akan kita capai pada materi kita about narrative text about Timun Omas. You get it?
Yes.
You get it? Yes. Okay, right. We can show to you about that video. This is about story about Timun Emas.
Wanted a daughter to live with her in the village. A huge giant visited her house. A cucumber seed. He told the old widow that there will be a baby inside the cucumber. The giant promised to come back for the baby once she turned 16. The old widow planted the seed in her yard. By the next morning, a cucumber grew. She cut it open and found a baby girl inside. The old widow was so happy and named the baby Timun Mas. Day by day, Timun Mas grew into a beautiful lady. The widow remembered what the giant had warned her. So, when Timun Mas turned 16, the widow told her to run into the jungle with a bag of salt. You must not let the giant catch you, the widow cried out as Timun Mas ran into the jungle. The giant came and asked the widow for Timun Mas. The widow refused to tell him, and so he went into the jungle. He angrily called out for Timun Mas. Timun Mas heard his voice and ran away from him. The giant chased her. Timun Mas threw the salt that the widow had given her. It turned the jungle into a muddy field. The muddy field swallowed the giant, and he was never seen again. Finally, Timun Mas returned home and lived happily ever after.
Okay, from the video about Timun Emas, we have saw in the screen what message we can get from that video.
Yes, sir.
Yes, what the message you can get from that video?
Get more social mission.
Social message from the story. Okay, that's right. Click time for Imam. Okay, next, I would like to show video again.
Jika video ini bermanfaat buat sahabat sekalian, jangan lupa klik tombol subscribe dan nantikan update terbaru dari Ingin-Media. Pada video kali ini, kita akan bahas tentang narrative text. Sahabat Ingin-Media, do you like listening to a story? And what is your favorite story then? We have fable atau cerita binatang, legend atau legenda, folklore atau cerita rakyat, dan fairy tale. Mereka adalah contoh dari narrative text yang akan kita bahas di video kali ini. Pertama, kita akan mempelajari definisi dari narrative text. Narrative text adalah cerita fiksi yang bisa berbentuk dongeng, mitos, cerita rakyat, cerita binatang, atau contoh yang lainnya. Setelah kita memahami pengertian atau definisi dari teks narasi, selanjutnya kita akan mempelajari purpose atau tujuan penulisan dari narrative text. And the purpose of narrative text is to entertain or to amuse the reader about the story. Jadi, tujuan penulisan dari narrative text adalah untuk menghibur pembaca tentang sebuah cerita. Nah, sahabat Ingin-Media, setelah kita memahami pengertian dan tujuan penulisan dari narrative text, kita akan mempelajari generic structure atau susunan umum dalam menulis narrative text. Sahabat Ingin-Media, are you ready to write narrative text? Yes, you are, because in this part we are going to learn about the generic structure atau susunan umum dalam menyusun narrative text. Narrative text terdiri dari 4 bagian.
Ya, perhatikan, ini adalah generic structure atau susunan kerangka paragraf dari generic structure.
Berupa pengenalan
Oke,
tokoh,
ada orientation. Orientation ini di mana-mana adalah
ada
pendahuluan.
complication,
Pendahuluan
atau
itu adalah di
konsep
situ
dari
semua
cerita
karakter yang terlibat dalam cerita
tersebut. Yang
itu.
ketiga,
Oke,
resolution,
kemudian
atau
komplikasi
penyelesaian.
pasti ada. Setiap cerita pasti ada konfliknya.
Bisa berupa
Mau sesama siapapun
atau
itu pasti ada
semua
komplikasinya.
menggunakan
Kemudian ada
komunikasi.
orientation, ungkapan penutup
And now, I will
yang
go
tadinya
into
ada
the
berkonflik
narrative
tadi, kemudian di penutup dia bisa happy ending atau sad ending. Jadi setiap cerita pasti ada pendahuluannya. Setelah pendahuluan perkenalan karakter yang ada, kemudian setelah itu ada peristiwanya, tempat kejadiannya di mana, kemudian siapa yang terlibat, kemudian ada di situ konfliknya. Contoh di kehidupan kita sehari-hari, ya kan? Kadang dengan orang tua, kepingin anaknya sukses, kepingin anaknya melakukan sesuatu hal, tapi anaknya punya pemikiran yang lain. Akhirnya kadang ada konflik. Sama dengan saudara, sama dengan teman-teman kita sekarang ini yang ada di kelas, like our friends in this class, sometimes there is conflict about the other case of our life.
Konflik di sini adalah Fox-nya terlalu sombong dengan attitude politik yang dia miliki untuk mengkritik yang buruk. Selanjutnya, bagian ketiga yang perlu sahabat tulis dalam menyusun teks narasi adalah resolution atau penyelesaian konflik. Berikut
Jadi
ini
ya,
contoh
model dari struktur dari generic structure of narrative text. That is orientation. Orientation is pendahuluan. This is complication. Konflik yang ada dalam cerita itu. Kemudian ada resolution. Ya, ada resolution. Kemudian terkait ini kadang juga ada reorientation. Reorientation ini sama dengan koda. Koda itu option, bisa ada, bisa tidak ada. Tidak semua cerita itu harus ada reorientationnya atau eventnya. Kenapa? Di situ ada koda, option, ya, tergantung ceritanya. Seperti itu anak-anak sekalian.
Nah, sahabat Ingin-Media, kita sudah mempelajari generic structure, perspektif, serta breakdown dalam menyusun narrative text. Di bagian selanjutnya, kita akan mempelajari unsur kebahasaan yang digunakan dalam menulis naratif teks. Pada bagian ini, kita akan membahas tentang language feature atau ciri kebahasaan yang sering berperan dalam naratif teks. Yang pertama, dalam menulis teks narasi, kita sering menggunakan simple past tense. Simple past tense adalah kata kerja bentuk kedua. Contohnya when, at, met, dan lain-lain. Yang kedua adalah time connective atau kata penghubung yang menunjukkan keterangan waktu. Misalnya, after, before, after that, finally, dan lain-lain. Yang ketiga adalah quoted speech atau kalimat yang menunjukkan pelaporan atau kutipan.
Okay, that's right. After we have saw watching that two video, the first is video told about narrative text is Timon Emas, and the second is Timon Emas include the generic structure. Ada berapa lagi tadi generic structure-nya naratif? There are 4. What the first? Orientation, yes. Complication, resolution, and reorientation. Good, right? Now, for my student, we are enter to the narrative text by me. We have more than now about narrative text before we are enter to the material about. Okay. Next, this is definition of narrative text. Definisinya, okay, definition of narrative text is a type of text that tells a story or describe a sequence of event. Jadi di sini menjelaskan tentang teks yang ada pada naratif itu sendiri, kemudian menceritakan atau menggambarkan sebuah cerita. Oke, sebuah ceritanya itu bisa berbentuk fairy tale. Apa itu fairy tale? Dongeng. Kemudian ada myth. Apa myth? What the myth is? Mitos. Cerita mitos yang berkembang di masyarakat. Kemudian ada legend. Cerita legenda. Kemudian yang terakhir ada bentuk dari fable. Fable talk about story binatang. Good, Saki. Jadi fable itu menceritakan tentang cerita binatang yang menjadi legenda karena ada beberapa cerita legenda tentang binatang itu sendiri yang sebaik atau lebih baik daripada manusia itu sendiri. Oke, next. Kemudian di sini adalah purpose of narrative text. Oke, purpose apa itu purpose? Purpose itu adalah tujuan. Tujuan dari purpose tadi ini adalah narrative text is to amuse and entertain the reader by presenting a series of events in entertaining and engaging way. Jadi naratif itu sendiri adalah untuk memberikan si pembaca berbentuk seri cerita. Ya, seri cerita, kemudian terakhir dia bisa menghibur para pembacanya. Bisa berbentuk ketika kita read a story by the book or watching, like in the past time in the screen is watching video by the legend of the story, kind of narrative text. Okay, next. This is a generic structure of narrative text. This is, we have give animation before. This is orientation, introduce character and setting. Who? What is who? Okay, good. Where?
Gimana?
When?
Kapan?
Okay, this is the orientation you can get of the first paragraph of the story. Jadi di situ ada pengenalan karakter, siapa yang terlibat di dalamnya, who in character of the orientation of narrative text, and where is place. Oke, tempatnya di mana, bisa di mana saja di seluruh belahan dunia ini, khususnya kita cerita tentang yang ada di Indonesia yang banyak cerita legend. Next, when, kapan, we talk about a time, when. Oke, di mana, kapan. Di situ terkumpul dalam bentuk orientation. Next, complication. Oke, konflik yang ada dalam cerita itu, like in our life. Sometimes we have conflict with our friends, okay? With our friends, with our family, and others. Next, this is resolution. After we have conflict, sometimes calm down, okay? We can get resolution. Okay, apa solusi permasalahan tadi? Oke, apa yang bisa kita ambil, apa yang bisa kita perbaiki, kemudian bisa kita baikkan lagi. Sama like you have a special friend, okay, you have a conflict, so you can make how to make solution of the problem raised in the story of your life. Next, evaluation. Okay, setelah itu ada evaluasinya. How to evaluation about that narrative text raised in the story. You are read, watch, and listen about the narrative text of other kinds of legend story in our country of Indonesia. That's right. Next, this is language. Okay, bahasa digunakan. Language feature of narrative text. Ya, jadi kalau kita talking about that story in the past time, so we must talk about tenses, past tense, karena kita menceritakan kembali, we talk about last period of our story, kita berarti bercerita tentang past tense. Kemudian effort of time. Apa effort of time? Tadi sudah dijelaskan, effort of time itu adalah keterangan waktu. Talk about time. This is time conjunction. Waktu penghubung. Oke, di sini ada when, then, suddenly, and exactly. Ini semuanya muncul raised in the story. Next, action. Actionnya itu part, show, and action, kill, dark, orchid, and exactly. This is raised in the story and language feature of the narrative text. And direct speech. Di sini direct speech adalah berbicara langsung tentang sesuatu yang kita nonton. Contoh Snow White said. Oke, Snow White itu adalah cerita putri salju. Next, spesifik karakter. Di sini ada karakter yang lebih spesifik. Di situ menceritakan tentang Cinderella, Snow White, Alibaba, and exactly. Right? For my student. Next, this is type of narrative text. Ya, tadi Bapak sudah jelaskan. I have give explanation kind of narrative text. There is fable. Fable apa? Terus fairy tale. Kemudian apa ada lagi? Legend. Kemudian ada myth. Apa lagi myth? What the myth? Mitos. Good. Okay. Is the same. This is example of narrative text through friends. Okay. Temannya true friends. Teman yang baik, teman yang benar. Okay? Jadi kita always make association of all of people, always make the true friends. Teman yang kita sama-sama berjuang untuk yang benar. Okay? Kita jangan mencari teman yang sama-sama akan terjerumus ke hal yang negatif. That's right. Do you get it of my explanation about narrative text in the screen of monitor? Yes? Okay. Okay. That's right. after we have give explanation in the screen, I would like give text for your every group. Ya, saya akan membagikan tugas kepada setiap kelompok. Ya, nanti Anda menentukan yang mana generic structure, yang mana komplikasinya. Ini ya. Okay, and this is class. Oke, silakan diobservasi, please. In the group, observe about the kinds of the story you can get of the text. Okay, right? Please attention to me. Follow my instruction. Okay. Jadi setiap tugas yang Anda dapatkan setiap kelompok itu ceritanya berbeda-beda, different story, every groups ya berbeda-beda. Silakan Anda menentukan di mana orientasinya. Oke, karena di situ struktur paragrafnya tidak teratur. Silakan Anda mempersiapkan bentuknya, susun kembali susunannya, kemudian nanti buat tulisan di sampingnya. Oke, kita menggambar di sampingnya. Contoh, example of the narratives. This is make line like this. This is so you are make orientation like that. Okay. So the second paragraph you make like this again. This is what? Complication. You make like that. But listen to me. But before you are make the generic structure of narrative text above, I would like you are range the paragraph. Oke, betulkan dulu paragrafnya, kemudian Anda buat generic structure-nya, susunannya, ya. Bahwa ini namanya orientation, this is complication, this is resolution, and exactly, right? Okay, please do that. Okay, there is group. Tidak ada yang nanti kalau what about You? Christine Group? Taruh ke sampingnya, makanya jangan terlalu mepet ke kiri nulisnya, ya. Jangan terlalu mepet ke kiri karena di kirinya nanti Anda akan menulis the generic structure of narrative text orientation, complication. Kalau Anda mepet, you make here, Anda contoh membuatnya sampai di sini, tulisan generic structure-nya sudah tidak muncul ya. Oke? You got it?
Yes.
Who need a new paper? Siapa yang membutuhkan kertas baru untuk yang sudah terlanjur terlalu mepet ke kiri? Silakan didiskusikan. I would like you are discuss to your friends how to make and arrange the paragraph. Until you arrange the paragraph, I would like you are make generic structure of narrative text. I would like every group active discussion for arrange the paragraph every story. After that, make the generic structure in the lip of the paper position. Yes. Ya, resolution. Dia bisa saja dia. Makanya Bapak bilang ada koda. Koda is option. Bisa ada, bisa tidak. Setiap story itu berbeda-beda. Jadi kalau dia lebih, berarti bisa tidak kembali lagi dia ke reorientation. Not orientation, but reorientation. Any problem? Any problem in the group? No, sir. That is easy? Yes? Okay, Royce, right. Next, continue your project. Christian? Di mana-mana tulisan orientation di kirinya ya, untuk to easy the reader to know where is the position of orientation. Orientation like in the some people like say mukaddimah, pendahuluan. Okay. In orientation, more than you can find of the orientation, because in the orientation describe about character raised in the story. That is orientation. Okay, character raised in the story. Next, place, tempat di mana terjadinya. Where is the story happen? Di mana terjadi? Kemudian time, waktu terjadinya kapan? Okay. So in the next is the problem raised in the story, like in our life, between friends to the other friends, between problem in the family, like parents and a daughter, son, and in the school, like it is a problem. Example problem raised in our life, like in the story. After that, we must find it about solution. What the solution? After we have make a problem to other people or our family or best friend or girlfriend or boyfriend, okay, we must make solution. What the solution you must make to solve the problem? Apa solusinya untuk memecahkan permasalahan? Okay, like that. Finish. One of the other group, there is finished. Ada yang sudah selesai? No, not yet. Yes, not yet. Okay, still process.
Yes.
Okay, good. Zaki, what story of your group project about? Sangkuriang. And this is group about Surah and Baya. The story about one of city in the East Java, Surabaya. And here, Danish group about Timon Namas. And use about it our materi about narrative text is Timon Namas. Next, Christian group Maling Kundang. Talk about Maling Kundang from Sumatera. Okay. Yes, Saki? There is problem? No, sir. That is take to easy. After that, I would like every leader in the group give explanation about the project of your group. Jadi setiap kelompok Bapak meminta dipresentasikan, right? You are make presentation. I will presentation about narrative from group. Okay, right. Sorry. This is group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4. Okay. What happened? Imam? Any problem? Is that easy? Saki, yes, Saki? Any question? No. Yes. Okay, I will from group 2. I am from group 2. I will present you about my project in the group. Kamu sebut nama judulnya. Okay, and the last, every group, I would like you are find what the social message. Terakhir, apa pesan sosialnya? Okay, karena every group different your project, okay, and story. Setiap kelompok ceritanya beda. So I would like you are find it about the social message. Pesan sosialnya apa? Yes. Juga terus video. You must find it social message of your story in your project. Yes. So far, every group, any question? Any trouble? Any problem? No, sir. Okay, right. Pay attention. Don't forget about it. The purpose of narrative text just to entertain the reader. Hanya memberikan hiburan. Because there are two kinds of the story. There is real story. The real is mythos. Just telling about it from the our people in the last time about the story. Excel, ready to give presentation? Process, okay, right. I would like looking for social message. Pesan sosialnya terakhir apa ya? After your presentation of your project, what the social message? Apa pesan sosialnya? Setiap cerita, every kind of the story always follow by social message. Selalu diikuti pesan sosialnya apa? Like Malin Kundang story, the legend story from Sumatra, the social message is what? The social message from Malin Kundang? Between the mother and the son. Antara ibu dan anak. Jangan durhaka kepada orang tua. Yeah, like that. That is social message. Okay, every story there is other character and other social message you can take for my life. Artinya what the social message of the story? Apa pesan sosialnya? In English. It doesn't matter, it's okay. Yes. So cool. Yes. You are like in the tropics. So suddenly the weather is cool. You cannot make things easy to be cool. Here, who the leader in the group? Denny. Denny, the leader in the group 1. Here, group 2, the leader is Farlan. And group 3, the leader is Saki. And group 4, the leader is Fatiha. Okay. Take easy, guys. You must consent to find it, and arrange the paragraph and find it where is that position, orientation, complication, evaluation, and reorientation. More than text in English. There is narrative text right now. There is recon text and report text. Okay, narrative text is telling about it story, the legend in our country. Recon text is telling about experience that someone. That is recon text. Jadi recon text itu telling about it experience that someone, menceritakan pengalaman seseorang. That is recon text. And the next is report text. Report text is telling about the journalist. Sometimes journalist is make the report text because always daily give information to the all people about that situation in our country or the area in Indonesia. Yes, there is permission.
I want
Okay, right. Put the pause. Always show the screen, orientation, complication, resolution, and evaluation. Always show the instruction in the screen or monitor in front of your eye. Okay, that's right. All of groups need to prepare yourself, special for the leader. Prepare yourself to give explanation or presentation. Prepare yourself what you must give explanation to the other groups. Finish? What date is this here? Agree, setuju. Agree, setuju. Agree, telah setuju. Okay, right. To the first presentation in the group. Time for discuss is over. Now time for presentation. Sakir first. Okay, stand up please.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Zaki Natar. I'm from Group 3, and I will presentation our project.
Raise your voice.
Now, let me explain the general structure of the story Sangkuriang. Orientation. Long time ago, there lived a beautiful woman named Dayang Sumbi. One day, she was cooking. Suddenly, her quilt fell off from her house. She cried to God. Complication. One day, Sangkuriang was hunting with Sumang in the forest and he found nothing. Many years later, Sangkuriang found a house in the forest and a beautiful woman was inside. The solution? She asked him an impossible requirement to marry her. The orientation? When she was almost finished, then Sumbi asked woman nearby to hit the ground as a flag sign that doubt is coming. The The social message is honesty and truth are important in family relationships, and breaking social and moral rules can lead to disaster. Thank you.
Okay, thank you from group 3. Keep hand for. Okay, next. Next group. Next group. Okay, group 4 by Fatihah. Time for you. Raise your voice.
A long time ago, there were two animals, Sura and Baya. Sura was the name of shark, and Baya was a crocodile. They lived in the sea. Once, Sura and Baya were looking for some food. Suddenly, Baya saw a goat. "Yummy, this is my lunch," said Baya. "No way, this is my lunch. You want greedy," said Sura. Then they fought for the goat. After several fights, they were very tired. Feeling tired of fighting, they lived in the different place. Sura lived in the water, and Baya lived in the bed. The border was the bush, so they both never fight again. One day, Sura went to the land and looked for some food in the river. Ice was very hungry, and there was not much food in the sea. Baya was very angry when he knew that Sura broke the resolutions. They fought again. They watched the church altar. Sura with Baya. Baya did the same thing to Sura. He was very hard until Sura finally go up and walked back to the sea. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. What the social message from group 3?
The social message of the Sura and Baya story is about the importance of keeping agreements and resolving conflict peacefully.
And resolving conflict. Right, thank you for group 4. Next, 2. Parla or Dennis group? Yeah, right.
I will from group 2, and I will presentation about my body story Maling Kundang. One time, in a smile for light nail, the best in West Sumatra, with a woman and her son, Maling Kundang. Maling Kundang settled and passed away west to be that to wife to have to life. First with his mother, Maling Kundang was to healthy, elegant and strong skill. Firstly, went to the sea to catch fish every day, from fish to have cat to his mother. So, lived in the town. One day, when Maling Kundang was sailing to south Moroccan, the fish was being ridden by a small ball of British. With his strength and power, Maling Kundang defeated the merchant was so happy and asking Maling Kundang to sail with him. Maling Kundang agreed. In the quiet sea Sunday, the storm found his foot. It was too late for Maling Kundang to accommodate her wrist from by the head out of his fell on a small island and sometimes turned into stone. When the mother came, Manikundang in front of his wife stood with his face edges of colorless beneath to meet his mother. He said that his mother too old for an duty. Manikundang said a mouth of woman. I have never had a mother like you. Dirty for an ugly. His mother was freeing the hair or the red is from his sail and right. His mother foresaid Manikundang that the world should enter a star if they didn't. Every apologize Manikundang used looked head and sail. Many years later, Manikundang became a wealthy orchestra with a whole ship work of creditors and shipwreck and a beautiful ship. In this, the romantic ship landed on the beach. The shoelegger prepared him and the name went to press. Manikundang became a wise man and now that is or it is mother in dreadful goodness year of Indonesia trying to still it to meet her son again.
The social mission, yeah.
Always respect and honor your parents, especially your mother, as they are the foundation of your life.
Okay, the social mission from group 2 is always honor to our parents.
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay, thank you. Click hand for group 2. Okay, going to group 1 or the last group. Okay, leader, please, stand up, please. Okay.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
My name is Delita Sukadela. I'm from Group 2. I will present about Tumas.
Okay, about Timur Mas group 1. Okay, good.
One time, ago in a small village, even an old woman named Bakam. She lived on her husband's daddy. She very wanted to have a job. So, one day, she met a teacher who asked her to ask a question. The teacher didn't like cucumber soup. He said if the cucumber soup was planted in sugar, we are the cucumber. And in the big cucumber, there was a beautiful baby. The teacher said again, I want to take her when she is 16 years old. On occasion, about an hour, she planted the seed in the front of her house. In the next day, she found a big cucumber in her yard. And when she opened that cucumber, there was a beautiful baby named Tumas. Resolution: in the next day, Tumas went to Gabon. The fairy tale Tumas has a good moral lesson. This fairy tale contains the message that as a woman we must have courage and be able to find solutions when we experience different. As a child, you should respect your parents and don't make promise if in the end you can keep the promise.
Okay, what is social message there? Sosial pesannya tadi apa? Kita harus apa?
Kita harus menepati janji.
Always promise our. We must follow our promise. Kita harus menepati janji. Oke, jadi kepada siapapun kita berjanji. All of people we are make promise. We must follow the promise. Okay, right? All for my student, our presentation is over. Now, how to every project in our group, how to evaluation. Bagaimana kita merefleksikan, mengevaluasi apa yang barusan kita pelajari, materi apa yang baru kita pelajari. Oke, siapa dulu? Oke, siapa dulu? Apa yang bisa kita simpulkan dari pelajaran kita hari ini tentang generic structure? Sebelumnya kita, before we are study about narrative text, we didn't know what is narrative text. So after today, study together in this class, we have now what is the generic structure. Okay. Ya, dari sini apa yang bisa kita dapatkan setelah belajar after study narrative text? Ya, by English, by Indonesian. Ya, Saki? Maybe Saki?
Dari pelajaran hari ini yang kami dapatkan yaitu pengertian dari naratif teks, struktur dari naratif teks, dan jenis-jenis naratif teks.
Oke. Ada yang lain? After we are evaluation and study together about the narrative text, and we can take a story about Timun Emas. Okay, the others. Okay, no more. Now, according our method narrative text for this time, from the narrative text in the group 1 telling about Timun Emas, and group 2 telling about Malin Kundang, and group 3 telling about Sangkuriang, and group 4 telling about Sura and Baya. So a story from our country in Indonesia, even though Indonesia is big country, but every province, every area have other story about sometimes example or Sangkuriang, telling about Malin Kundang and others, right? I think enough for my explanation about our materi narrative text, and now I will share to you about it. One we can get today about narrative text. Okay, this is group 1, this is group 2, this is group 3, and this is group. Please. Yes, please choose. How about your feeling? Your feeling for this time after we are studying about narrative text, when we are explanation about it, Timun Emas. Okay, you got it? You just give about your feeling. Do you know feeling? Yes, your feeling. Okay, you are feeling. We are situation in our class and about it explanation about narrative text. include the generic structure of narrative text and telling about Timun Emas and what social message from the Timun Emas, and you are describe about your feeling. Okay, I would like you are describe about your feeling. Okay, and then beside that, I will share about assessment. Okay, this is assessment. I would like you are answer the question. Write down your name. Write down your name of the paper. 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once more here. Okay, here one. I would like your answer and read the interaction. Okay, baca bagus-bagus pertanyaannya. This is assessment about the Timun Emas. We just saw that video and explanation about the Timun Emas. After that, I would like you answer the question. Silakan dijawab pertanyaannya. So far you are understood. And now about Timun Emas. Ikut. Okay, everybody write your name of the paper. There you go. Okay guys, so far you are do the assessment, answer the question. I would like info to you are about our material in the next meeting in this class. About in the past time we had explanation about recontext, and today about narrative text, and the next week or the next time we are enter to the report text. Report text is always using by the journalist. Okay, report text itu biasanya digunakan oleh para jurnalis untuk menyampaikan berita dari belahan dunia. Okay, that is report text. Okay, right? Before we are leaving this class, I like the leader, pray to our God, the leader. Okay, the leader, I would like the leader prepare the class. Time is over. Our material about narrative text is finished. Yes.
after studying, pray together. Finish.
Okay, right. Thank you very much for my student. For our meeting in this class today is finished. See you next time with new material about recon text in the past time, and now is narrative text, and the last time is report text. Good luck, success for you all. Thank you.